Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.5 question number 9. In which of the following expressions prime factorization has been done? A. A is 24, right? If we do the prime factorization, what you are getting, you see A. Here we are finding that if we find the prime factorization of 24, then we are getting 2, it is 12, 2 into 6, 2 into 3, that is 24. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. But here you see we have written 2 into 3 into 4, but 4 can be written as 2 into 2, right? That means which of the following expression prime factors have not been done? That is, in A, prime factorization has not been done. Prime factorization has not been done. Prime factorization has not been done. Not been done. Right? Now B. Question number B. B is 54. Let us take the prime factorization of 56. 56 can be written as by 2. 2 to the 4, 8 to the 16, 2, 14 to the 28, and 2 into 7. Or you can write 56 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. That means here in question number B, prime factorization has been done. Right? This is true. It is true. That is 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 is same. Therefore, prime factorization has been done in question number B. Prime factorization has been done. That is, prime factorization has been done. Prime factorization prime factorization has been done. Prime factorization has been done in B. Has been done. That is question number B. Now we'll deal with question number C and D. Right? Next question number C is question number C. Question number C is the number is 70. Here is C. Question is 70. 70. We'll find the prime factorization of 70. 7, 0 divided by 2. Right? 2 and 2. We'll do this question, that is prime factorization of 70. Let us take the prime factorization of 70, right? We'll rub this one. Now we'll find the prime factorization of 70. That is 2 3 is 6, 10 2 5 is 10, and 5 7 is 35. 5 7 is 35. Therefore, you can write 70 is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 7. Then it is same value, 2 into 5 into 7. This is 2 into 5 into 7. That in this case, prime factorization has been done. Right? In this case, prime factorization has been done. Prime correctly. Prime factorization has been done. Has been done. Now, question number D. Question number D is 54. Let us take the prime factorization of 54. 54 will divide it by 2. That is 2 to the 4, 2 7 is 14, 3 9 is 27, and 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Therefore 54 can be written as 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? Here you see we have, because in question it is written as 2 into 3 into 9, but 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Therefore prime factorization has not been done in case of D. This is the prime factorization of 54, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? Therefore prime factorization has not been done in case of D. Prime factorization prime factorization prime factorization prime factorization has not been done. Prime factorization has not been done. Not been done. Not been done. Right? This is the solution of question number 9.